Hey, it's Sherry with Blessed Baubles. I'm taking a tiny break from jewelry unboxing, but we'll get right back to it. And we'll still be doing our Friday or Saturday night fun jewelry bags. So stay tuned for those. I'm going to take a quick walk down Main Street in my hometown, Falmouth, Massachusetts, and show you some Cape Cod jewelry that we're famous for. So I hope you have a great time. There's some beautiful things we're going to see. So thanks for coming with me down Main Street, and we'll see you at those baubles. Hi everyone, I just thought I'd show you Main Street in my hometown in Falmouth, Massachusetts on Cape Cod. It's one of the only towns that still has a Main Street. It's very quaint and very beautiful, and I'm really proud of my town. How could I not stop at the jewelry shop, right? Let's see what they've got. Oh, isn't that beautiful? No. Lovely pieces. Always our Cape Cod theme. And this is some of the Cape Cod jewelry that we are famous for in this area. It's got like a little ball bead on it. And waves and things. So lots of people collect that. And isn't this gorgeous? Just lovely. There's the shop. Some more beautiful pieces. Ship's wheel nautical, and there's a little shape of Cape Cod on that necklace. So again, probably a lot of tourist pieces and lovely pieces from our area. This is called Setting the Space. Lots of home decor in there. Ooh, my favorite color, that blue glass. Love it. Check out the name of that restaurant. Doesn't this look yummy? I know, I've eaten in here before. Come on guys, let's sit down and have a glass of wine and some yummy pasta. Oh my gosh, look at the bakery.
It's still here.
That's my weakness, pastries. Better keep going past that door to the end of this side of Main Street. But I wanted to show you the library and some of the monuments and things. There's a big village green right here. Beautiful library. Lots of times in the middle of the day you'll see people sitting on a blanket having their lunch over there. It's very beautiful, especially in the summer. Let's see what's across the street. A little bit closer up with this memoriam, and it gives some names of some wonderful people. These men of Falmouth gave up their lives in the Great World War. In honor of their memory and those who served with them, this monument is dedicated. It's quite lovely. It's really a big bench seat. And again, the library is right behind it. So how do you like my little tour? Let's go try to find the candy store that my mom always loved. Here we have some branches getting in the way a little bit. But this is a statue of the great Catherine Lee Bates. Pretty fantastic. Catherine Lee Bates statue. It was founded by private contributors. There's all of their names. She is the author of America the Beautiful. 1686, Falmouth Tricentennial. And some more about her. Born August 12, 1859 to 1929. She was a teacher, a poet, and author of America the Beautiful. Wonderful, right? Great history. I love my town. I've always liked this shop, Touche Accessories, Gifts, Apparels. I used to love coming in here with my mom. And of course, we're gonna find some jewelry. Most likely Cape Cod jewelry. Yep, there it is. And there's the famous Nantucket basket. A piece of jewelry representing the famous Nantucket basket. And some more Cape Cod bracelets with the little bead ball. Lots of nautical things. And there's the shape of Cape Cod again. Cape Cod jewelry. I have not yet purchased a piece, but we'll see. Can you guess now? We're in my mom's favorite candy shop. She loved what was called Heavenly Hash. So we would come in on her birthday and we would order her some Heavenly Hash. A little bit of everything. Let's see if I can find it. Do you have Heavenly Hash?
Do we have what?
Heavenly Hash?
No.
No, we used to. We don't make it anymore.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that was my mom's favorite.
I've been here 2 years. I never heard of it. I mean, I've heard of it, but not.
Yeah, she loved that. Okay, well, they don't make it, but that's okay. My mom doesn't need it where she is. She's got heaven. Okay, so let's... Oh, this is where it gets me right here. I think I'll just get a couple of this, a couple of that, and end up with a big bag. Oh, my favorite bubble gum. Jelly beans. Okay, good thing I'm holding the phone because I am going right out of here. And this is called Gelfies. Could always go shopping for a home. Waterfront, 8-bedroom, beachfront. Oh, Lower Mara Vista. I know where that is. But look at the beautiful homes. Hope you can see with the reflection. Okay, on we go. Some of the buildings are still the old brick buildings, like you'll see when we come up here a little bit. What's the matter, little buddies? Boy, they were very chirpy. This is a great restaurant. There's a lot of great ones.
Where'd you go?
It's a very interesting place. They remake furniture. Beautiful artwork. Look at that boat. Two-part painting, sorry. It's gorgeous. Just saw a bird fly in there. Pretty, right? Canvas bags.
We are on a main road.
Lots of artwork in there.
The car is ready. Go back to the car. Kennedy, I'm going home.
This place is called Port Cargo. So what I'm looking at are the necklaces on the models inside. That looks like slices of coral to me. Or maybe it's a good imitation. Trying to think who that looks like. Pretty though.
Same idea as the one we just saw.
Oh, here's that necklace in blue. Let's see what it says. Natural materials, handmade from 100% natural materials. Not seeing a price on it, but they probably want you to come in and see what it is. But really neat, huh? Oh, look at that. That's another piece there. Another one in a different shape. Alright, I guess we're gonna have to go look at the price on those. Here's one in a more black and white color. Let's see if I can see the tag. $59.99. Our jewelry collection is carved from a sustainable nut called Tagua. Oh, that's neat. Well, it's very beautiful and they did a great job. Lots of different colors. They even have it on this blouse. Oh my, look at this one. Very beautiful. And some more pieces in the window. I wonder if they make those too. Okay, look at these colors. Purples, orange, turquoise, yellows. So beautiful. She said they're made of all natural vegetable dyes as well. Just gorgeous. So if you love those pieces, you can contact the store.
You know about those made from the snow?
Yeah, she was telling me.
Okay.
Yeah. They're beautiful. Okay, I just dropped my folders all over the floor, but look at this. Really beautiful. They also have bigger multi-metal pieces, like the hearts. They're all made by the company. Look at this. Very beautiful, very 60s reminiscence, isn't it? Alright, faceted. Oops, finger in the way. These cool little matching earrings. Gemstones. Look at these colors.
So you can, so they are technically a legging, but you can do your size, regular size, make it a legging, do a size up,
So much fun. So it's getting kind of late. Sun is starting to fade a bit. But here's some more Cape Cod motif. Famous for our lobster boils and clam boils. So when tourists want to come in and buy some things to have a big old clam and lobster boil, that's where they can go. Big old lovely post office. We're at the end of Main Street, and then down there is a village green. They decorate it really nice at Christmas time. And then this would be back around the other side of Main Street, kind of where we began. So I hope you had fun on the little tour. I know I did, especially finding all the jewelry. So we'll see you at those baubles.